Welcome to Style My Way. The host is Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Z9 Designs, Decorating with Jazzy Green, I Be Dolled, Barbie Daily Rule Life, and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Now I'm going to be decorating this table in my living room, and I'm going to start with this peacock lamp that I keep on the table all the time. And I'm going to be adding this live pothos plant at one end. Oh, I wanted to mention that the theme is hearts and roses. Okay, next I'm going to be adding these distress candle holders with two white candles and a little bit of greenery. Next, I'm going to add this poinsettia. I didn't have any roses, so I'm going to use this poinsettia instead. And I think it looks pretty. Next, I have these silver heart-shaped dishes. I purchased those at the gift shop at Cracker Barrel. And I'll be adding candy to both of these dishes a little bit later. Now on the bottom shelf, I'm going to be adding this really pretty lantern that I ordered from Amazon, and I put it in a wire basket with some wintry garland. Now on the bottom shelf, I'm going to be adding these two Valentine signs, Be Mine and Me and You. Both were purchased at the Dollar General. Okay, next I'm going to be adding a little bit of candy to the heart-shaped dishes. Okay, so this completes the decorations for this table. Now I will be decorating a chair and another table here in a second, so don't go anywhere. Okay, now I have this wooden chair in between the two tables, and I'm going to put this pretty Valentine with kitty cat blanket on the chair. Along with this Valentine's Day pillow cover that I ordered from Amazon. It was a package of 4, so I'm just using one right now. But isn't that pretty? So here's a look at the chair and the first table that I decorated. And there's still one more table that I'll be decorating. And it is this marble top table that is an heirloom from my husband's side of the family. We've had this for years. So I'm going to be adding this evergreen and pine cone arrangement with a big red bow. I actually had this since Christmas. It is live evergreens, so it's really pretty. And then I have this picture of me and my husband. My daughter made this, and she used felt pieces to make it look like my husband and I years ago. Actually, it was even before we were married. It was a picture taken when we were just dating. So I'm going to add that little mushroom and a little lantern to the table. And I did add a little love sign that I purchased at the Dollar General to the evergreen arrangement. So here is an overlook of everything. I even have a berry wreath on top of the mirror there. And the pretty pillow and blanket for Valentine's Day. And the table with the poinsettia and pothos plant. And candles. my candy dishes with pink mint candy. So I think this turned out beautiful. Well, I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank Anna and Emma for being the host of this collaboration, and to everyone who participated. Now be sure to check out the playlist and give everyone a kind comment. And if you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to do so. I appreciate it so much. Oh, one more thing. I have this sign that says "Love You More." I think that is so cute, and I purchased that at the Dollar General also. So there is a final look. So that'll do it. Again, thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.